Thanks for all your help. I had some great suggestions on what kind of stand to make for this. Overwhelmingly, it was the tree style, so I went with that. Help support the companies that support our community. I cut up a piece of walnut for the stand. It's about 5 inches thick and about 12 inches long. What I'm going to do here is use a roughing gouge and true up the outside of it. And what I need to do is make a couple of recesses in the bottom of it so that I can have a place to put the lights, and I need a recess in there so I can put it on the chuck and expand the jaws to hollow out the inside. This aerosol works great for stuff like this. I've used it on projects in the past. I'll put a link down below in the description and you can check it out. If you do get one though, get a metal blade. Even though you're doing woodworking, it's much smoother and it doesn't grab. What I did was just cut everything out. I started at 80 grit, sanded all these little pieces up. I went up to 180 before I boiled it because the boiling is going to raise the grain back up, so you really don't need to go much higher than that. I threw it in the pot for about a half an hour, pulled it out, pod slid right in, little arms. I just kind of held on to them until they wrapped around it a little bit more. And after it's set up, you can pull the pod back out, put it back on the lathe, and then I went ahead and used the Howard's wax and feed and ran all the way up to 600. All right, I got a little strip of LEDs I'm going to put up in the bottom of it here. I just took a little chisel and carved out a little spot there for the wire to come through. So it has sticky on it. I don't know how well this is going to work, but it will at least hold it up in there. I found a little mirror that pretty much fits right in the bottom of it there. I think I'm going to put a couple little spots of hot glue on it to get it to reflect up into it. But let's put the wire in first. yeah, again, the trailer's coming along good. I'm still working on the power box out there, but should have that. And we're going to Crater Lake next, so we'll be up there. We're going to do a couple live shows from Maker Central. Again, we're not going to be able to go to the show, but Easywood's setting up a monitor and everything, so we're going to come on and hang out for a couple hours and do that. They're going to have a monitor in the booth, and the way it looks right now, I'll confirm, but it looks like at 2 o'clock their time, we'll come on and hang out and do kind of like hangout Q&A kind of thing, but should be fun. Yeah, we're just super bummed that we can't make it, but it just is not working out. So this is the next best thing, I guess, right? And then, so we're doing that Saturday and Sunday, and then we're taking off Sunday right after we're done and headed down to Crater Lake to film another project from On the Road. So if you're around the Bend area too, or Lapine, swing by and say hi. I'll put up a couple posts when we're going to be up there, and check it out. You can pull right into the parking lot with the camper and everything, so it should be fun. All right, that is going to hold. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this right on there. It just, if I would have just gone another 1/8 of an inch, it would have popped right inside there, but it just doesn't. Hope you enjoyed this. Again, guys, thank you so much for all the suggestions. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. All right, till next week, take care.